I'll be showing you how to add an AvaEye NVR using the AvaEye mobile app while you're logged into the AvaEye mobile app as a user. So here's my app. I've already installed the app and I've already created a user. I know I have a user because when I click on these three lines, I can actually see under me, if I click on there, it shows me my email address, my username. If you have this appearing on your app, that means you've followed our instructions on how to log into the AvaEye mobile app and create an account. If you haven't, please do so now. What this lets you do is add the NVR or multiple NVRs or recorders that you have from the AvaEye series of products to your app and be able to manage them using the cloud management system. It makes it easy to share access to those recorders, especially if you're a business owner, trying to give access to your footage or cameras to select employees and being able to revoke that access. The AvaEye mobile app makes it super easy. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to add your device. So if you have already created that username and you see a screen like this with a logout button, you're logged in as a user. Perfect. Now let's add a NVR. So what I'm going to do is click on these three lines and go to devices. And then here I'm going to click on add and scan. You have to be near your NVR to scan either the QR code on the top of the NVR or the QR code from within the menu section. And that's the access code for the NVR that you scan into this app. I've printed a QR code from my device. So I'm going to put that QR code here and scan it in. And my app picked it up. Now I'm going to name my device and I am going to call it my NVR. You can call it depending on where your location or your preferences. It has my register code, that's the access code, and then the live view and playback. Leave it like that. You could either press the save button and save it as an entry or click on start live view. I'm going to click on start live view here in the bottom. When I did that, the entry for the NVR got saved automatically and it pulled up my cameras. Now I can click individually on each camera and I can swipe through the different cameras I got to see footage from them. Now you're all set up and connected to your AvaEye NVR. And now if I go to the main menu here and I go to devices, it will appear with a small cloud next to it. Here's a more close-up view and you can see there's a small cloud next to my device name. And that just tells you that this is connected to the AvaEye cloud so you can manage this NVR from there. If you ever log into the AvaEye app in the future and you don't see any of your cameras like so, all you have to do is hit images here, click on 4 to view 4 at a time, and then you can actually add your individual camera channels by adding them as independent cameras and be able to watch them. You can even do video playback and you can see motion events happening, etc. And you can jump to them through the app and be able to view them. This is why we recommend adding an AvaEye NVR as a user to the AvaEye mobile app. It makes it super easy to manage multiple recorders if you have them. And then please make sure you follow the other videos on how to delegate access to other users. Thanks for watching.
If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.